welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 7, manufacturing industries. This is module 8. In 7th we discuss about the iron and steel industry. Now here we will discuss about aluminium industry. This is second most important industry in means of minerals. It is also heavy and bulky industry in which a lot of investment is required. Okay. Aluminium, you know, it is made from bauxite. Second largest industry. Okay. Now it is how it is to be converted. 4 to 6 tons of bauxite, 2 tons of alumina convert into 1 ton of aluminium. This is the process that is required. Okay. Now about aluminium, it is light, corrosion free, okay, and malleable, and can become strong when mixed with other metals. Become strong when mixed with other metals. It is used as alternate of steel. With mixing of copper, zinc, lead. So it means what is there? Second most important industry, and it is light, corrosion free, and it is malleable, and that can be used into the different industries. It is used for making wires, or even you can say in aeroplanes, that is also used for manufacturing, and electrical appliances, that is also used in making these type of the aluminium. So it is most important industry in means of, and it is also good conductor of heat, so that is used in a form of the alternate of steel. Okay. Now next thing, some of the aluminium industries are set up in Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh, etc. These are few of the states where this industries has been set up. And as you know, bauxite is the raw material used, and it is bulky and brownish in color. You can see that it is in big form of the rocks, and when these rocks are sent to the aluminium industries, they are crushed, and from that bauxite alumina comes, and that alumina is smelted with the furnace and other inorganic minerals. Then it is converted into what? Aluminium. Okay. Now it is maximum industries are set up near the mines. This is also an important thing, that the maximum of these industries they are. And what is the main priority? Some of the requirement are there: electricity and availability of raw material. Availability of raw material, it is an important thing. Raw material, it means there should be regular supply of electricity in the industries, and this raw material should be available into the industries with the minimum rates, so that this industry can survive. This is an important part that we have to discuss. Now we will be discussing the chemical industry. This is also an important industry, one of the growing industry. Okay, now next is chemical industry. As you know that maximum of the drugs, chemicals, glasses that we are using, they are made from the chemical industry. The fertilizers, or you may say the urea and other products that we are using, all are from the chemical industry. Okay, it is one of the most growing and diversifying industry, where a lot of variations are there. Okay, it gives 3% of the this is the share. It gives 3% of the GDP. That it means its contribution is nearly 3%. Okay, it is third largest in Asia and 12th in world. This is the status of this chemical industry, and this is most important demanding industry, we may say. Okay, now maximum of raw materials comes from minerals or from chemicals, or minerals or chemicals. Okay, now it is used in organic and inorganic chemicals. Okay, now what about the inorganic that we will be discussing? Inorganic chemicals, that is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, you may see in that you can have that of the fertilizers, paints, and adhesive, even the Fevicol, dyes, etc., and even synthetic fibers. These are also used for this, even the plastic, that is. Okay, now what about the organic? It means you can see that we are using the paints, the chemicals, the fertilizers, the synthetic fibers, all are made from this chemical, and it is most important industry of the human beings. Okay, next is organic chemicals. In this, what is there in these organic chemicals? That is synthetic fibers, plastics, synthetic rubber. So these are converted even to the drugs and pharmaceuticals. These all are used, and it is made from, they are made from petrochemicals. They are made from petrochemicals and oil refineries. So you can see that maximum of these industries that are even sulfuric acid, nitric acid, alkalis, these are all used and all are in the organic and inorganic form. Okay. So these maximum that you may say medicines, the antibiotics, the fertilizers, the plastic, the rubber and even synthetic things that we are using all are from this chemical industry. Okay. Maximum contribution of this industry and even the glass that we are using and max even you can see the lenses, maximum those are related to all the chemical industry. Okay. Now it is one of the important consumer industry. It means from one chemical another material or another product is used, is converted. It means some of the chemicals are there that are used into the same chemical industry. So it is also one of the consumer industry that we are using in our making of every of the thing. Synthetic rubber is there. You can see tires, tubes, shoes and everything. These are all. So this is one of the important industry in the development of the human being.